Place the small end of the ProMOTION EV1 therapy unit into the sock. Guide the sock over the therapy unit until you are able to click the plastic clip of the sock behind the therapy unit plate. The universal sock and strap set has 3 straps available in varying lengths. After selecting the most suitable strap length, connect your chosen strap by passing the Velcro hook tab up through the plastic loop located on the side of the sock with the hooks facing outwards, and then secure the hooks back onto the strap. The unit can now be secured to the body as required. Start with the strap loose, and whilst holding the EV1 therapy unit in position, use the Velcro hook tab or the adjustable buckle on the long strap to adjust the strap tension to suit.